her face.
What are you doing, crazy?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
He played dead. Don't roll over on the cash. Get him, Odie. Guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Would you believe I've been laying in bed all day? It's quite ridiculous. But, yeah, I don't have much on the plate for tomorrow because it's already almost 4 o'clock. It's 25 to 4. So, I started out doing a fall lookbook and I forgot to post the video. So, I'm going to go back to the past and show you guys those couple of outfits that I had. So, they're good. They're good to wear through the holidays too, so stay tuned for that. So what I have to do is go through Kaylee's toys here and see if there's anything that she's not using anymore and kind of organize them. So you can't see it, but I'll show you in a minute. She has her Barbie bus here on top, her Barbie camper, I'm sorry, and then a whole tote full of toys. So here's her Barbie camper, and let me just empty it out. She strips off all of her dolls, so... Okay, this is her Bunny Rabbit Dark game. She does play that. All her naked dolls. Okay, I'm going to leave all her Barbie stuff to the right of me. Left of you guys. Okay. This is the table that actually goes in the camper. Anything that's Barbie related. Little tiny stuff. That's the canopy because the Barbie bus folds out with a canopy. Does she have stuff in the shower? No, that's the toilet. Alright, so the Barbie bus is empty. So, here's her toy box. It's full of stuff. Alright, so I'm probably going to speed this up and put some music to it because I'm just going to sort everything out. Because sometimes she puts things in. I separate her Barbie stuff and her other stuff this way. So let me just go through all
Who wants
So her Barbie car, we're not getting rid of that. I'm going to put that in here in her toy box. Okay, and then this here bag is full of Barbie stuff, and her Barbie bus is full of the pieces for the Barbie camper. I keep saying bus. Camper and the Barbies themselves. And this is a bag full of like clothes and little things that came with the camper and different Barbie sets that she had. So I'm going to leave that there for now. This is technically mine. It's a Share Bear, and this is a dog. That's mine, but they go in Kaylee's toy box for now. So I'm going to just lay them up here for now. She doesn't play with her baby doll anymore, but this was something that her mom and them got her, so I won't get rid of this because I don't know. I don't know if I should get rid of it or not, so... But she doesn't really play with baby dolls anymore. Not that much anyway. But every now and then she will. So I better hold on to it because she'll use my rocking chair as a baby crib. So we better. And then she hasn't played with this for a while. But this is a little kitchen. It's not put together right now. But this is a little kitchen that we got her when she was like 2 years old. But she dug it out the other day when she was here. So I think I'm going to hold on to this for her, because she's still playing with it sometimes. So I have one of these teeny bags here, and I think I'll put the pieces for the kitchen inside of it. So it's all in one spot when she wants to put it together. I know for a fact she was playing with it, because Mike replaced the batteries for her, so... Alright, the only part that can't go in is this. That's not going to fit in properly. So then this is the small parts to her kitchen, but I just got to go through the bag to make sure it is all her fake food and stuff. Like, here's the banana that I just found. Parts of her kitchen. These are the smaller parts. That's all separated up. This is her Barbie clothes and the small Barbie stuff. We're going to keep her baby doll because, like I said, I'm not the one who, all this other stuff we bought for her except for the Barbie car, but I won't get rid of the Barbie car because she plays with her Barbies all the time. This her parents got her, so I'm not getting rid of that because I don't know. Plus, I'm not getting rid of it anyway because she plays with it sometimes. Here's the big part of the kitchen that got to go in there. And then she does play with the stuffies sometimes, so we're going to put them in there. And now there's a bit of room for if she gets new stuff at Christmas down here, because I have a stuff here that's in behind Odie that is going to go for donation to other kids that she's not really playing with anymore. So it's all stuck in there behind Odie. Hey Odie, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to pile it up on you. I'm going to get a bag and put all that in. And we'll keep this little fox guy too. I might put him up with my stuff in the bedroom because he's cute. But it's just a little Thai fox.
You want a garbage bag?
Yeah, can you get me like a grocery store bag? Alright guys, so that's pretty much going through that, and I'll show you guys what I got here. So this is the inside of her toy box now. Oh, this is her bear that says Kaylee on it. And yeah. Oh, I missed grapes. I missed grapes. Good thing Mike showed me that. But yeah, this is what her box looks like. I'm going to have to get the kitchen stuff to put these grapes in. And there it is, all organized again. She won't even miss the stuff that I got rid of because, like I said, she doesn't even play with it. So she's not even going to notice that it's gone. So I'm just going to put that little fox up there. So yeah, because she'll be getting new stuff at Christmas, and some stuff will come down here because her mother sends some of her old stuff down here after Christmas. So anyway, I'm going to end this one now. I'm sorry it's been uneventful, but I'm just getting things done around the house this evening that I wasn't feeling good today and I wasn't getting done. So I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all tomorrow. Bye everyone.